Machine learning might sound futuristic, but it's already everywhere, from your email spam filter to your Netflix recommendations. Today, we'll demystify what machine learning actually means and why it matters for your business. Here's the key insight. Traditional programming requires humans to write explicit rules. Machine learning flips this. We give the computer examples, and it learns the rules automatically. Instead of programming every scenario, we let the machine discover patterns from data. In supervised learning, we teach machines using labeled examples, like showing a child flashcards. We provide inputs with known correct answers, and the algorithm learns to predict answers for new inputs. Most business applications use supervised learning. Unsupervised learning finds hidden patterns without labeled examples. Imagine sorting a pile of mixed items without being told the categories. The algorithm discovers natural groupings, perfect for customer segmentation when you don't know the segments in advance. Reinforcement learning works through trial and error, like training a dog with treats. The algorithm takes actions, receives feedback, and adjusts its strategy. This powers game-playing AI and is increasingly used for pricing and resource optimization. Machine learning powers countless business applications you use daily. Spam filters learn what junk mail looks like, recommendation engines learn your preferences, fraud detection learns suspicious patterns, and chatbots learn to understand customer questions. Machine learning isn't new. The concepts are decades old. What's changed is the perfect storm of massive data availability, powerful and affordable computing, and algorithmic breakthroughs. Together, these make machine learning practical for every business. Machine learning enables computers to learn patterns from data rather than following explicit rules. The three main types, supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, each solve different business problems. In upcoming lectures, we'll explore how to apply each type. Next video, why businesses need data science.